insurance cost will come down if GST is reduced. Sitaraman. The cost of health and life insurance policy to policyholders is expected to come down if the goods and service tax GST council recommends a reduction in the tax rate. Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman informed Parliament on Monday as the GST rates are applicable over and above the insurance premium. If the GST rate is reduced, it is expected to benefit the policyholder direct, especially in a competitive market with many insurance with many insurance as the cost of insurance, health and life will reduce to that extent, Sitaraman said. Currently, an 80% GST is levied on premiums paid for life and health insurance policies. The matter of review of GST rates on life and health insurance is pending before the GOM group of ministers set up by the GST Council. She said the GST Council is likely to take up the matter for discussion in its December 21st meeting in Rajasthan in 2023-24. The central and state governments had collected 16,398 crore GST from health and life insurance policies. According to source, the GOM has broadly agreed on exempting insurance premiums insurance premiums paid for term life insurance policies and senior citizens health insurance from GST. GDP base year to be revised to 2022-23. The government had decided to update the base year for complication of gross domestic product GDP data to 2022-23 from 2011. 12. Statistics Minister Rao Indrajit Singh informed Parliament the government has formed an advisory committee on national account statistics composed of representatives from central and state governments, Reserve Bank of India, academia, and researchers for identification of new data sources and to advise on the methodology for comprehension of GDP for the new series, Rao said. Yafi had reported earlier that the government is likely to introduce the new GDP series from February 2026.